Hi, I'm Samuel, and this is a tutorial on how to use the Spry browser extension. Once we have Spry installed on a preferred browser and pinned to the top of our toolbar, we can go ahead and open the extension by clicking on its action button. Whenever we open Spry for the first time or any time after it's been updated, we'll be seeing this welcome dialog. On the welcome dialog, we can see two links to the terms of use and privacy policy. Once we review these agreements, we can go ahead and click OK, I understand, to begin using Spry. On Spry's homepage, we can see browsing time. Browsing time tracks how long you've been using your browser since you last completed a workout. Below browsing time, we can see a recommended exercise. If we don't know how to perform the recommended exercise, we can go ahead and click on the tutorial link. If we decide we don't want to perform this particular exercise, we can go ahead and get a new exercise by clicking the skip button down below. Once we have completed an exercise, we can go ahead and click Complete Workout. This will bring up the Workout Complete screen. Let's go ahead and look at the settings for Spry. Here on the settings page, we can find a few different sections. The first section is the name section, and in this section we can enter in what we would like Spry to call us. I'm just going to go ahead and enter my name. Hopefully you'll notice, as I'm entering my name, the Save Changes button up in the top right corner became enabled. Whenever we change any of the settings in Spry, we have to make sure to click the Save Changes button, or else Spry will not be able to record our new settings. Now that we have my name saved, let's go ahead and look at the timer duration. The timer duration simply determines how often you want Spry to give you a break time notification. The default is 20 minutes, but you can choose anywhere from 15 to 60 minutes. I'm going to change the timer duration to 60 minutes. After timer duration, we can find the workout difficulty section. Each workout comes with 5 different difficulty levels, starting from beginner to advanced. Each difficulty level determines how many repetitions Spry will ask you to complete. Let's say I've been using Spry for a couple months now, and I'd like to increase the difficulty of my workouts. I'm going to go ahead and select Easy. If we go back to the home page by scrolling up to the top and clicking the Home button, we can see the home page has changed a little bit by altering the color scheme as well as adjusting the rep range recommended for this exercise. Let's go back to the settings. Beyond the workout difficulty section, we can find the workout schedule. Here we can select what exercises we'd like to do on each day of the week. Today's Wednesday, so let's go ahead and adjust Wednesday's workout schedule. After I look through each of the exercises available, I've decided I only really want to do jumping jacks every 60 minutes. So what I can do is I can unselect every exercise except the jumping jacks. And then when I hit save and go back to the home page, we can see I'm only ever going to get the jumping jacks exercise whenever I open Spry. Let's go back to settings. Although Spry comes with its own default exercises, I think I'd like to add my own. In that case, I'm going to go ahead and look into Spry Plus. On the Join Spry Plus page, we can see what Spry Plus actually is. Spry Plus is a simple subscription service that works with the Spry extension to provide additional features for creating custom exercises in your workout routine. There are two available plans. I'm going to choose the annual subscription plan to benefit from the Fortuna discount. Okay, so now I'm back at settings and I have the Spry Plus subscription. In order to add my own exercises, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. Here we'll see a form to add our own custom exercises. I'll go ahead and start filling this out to add calf raises to my workout routine. Once we have all of the fields filled out for this form, we can go ahead and confirm exercise to add calf raises to our workout routine. If we ever need to alter any of our custom exercises, we can go to our list of custom exercises above, click Edit, and we can go ahead and change any of the information we need to. And then I'll go ahead and confirm exercise. And that will update our calf raises. Now that we've added calf raises to our custom exercise list, we'll see the calf raises in each of our weekdays workout routines. Let's go ahead and save our changes. Back on the home page, next to settings, we'll also see a button to access our support page. On the support page, you'll find important information, like our support email. If you ever have any questions or problems when using Spry, please go ahead and reach out to us, and we'll be happy to help you. Alright, with that, we should be all set and ready to use Spry while we browse. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoy Spry, and have a great day.